Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm thrilled to introduce to you something revolutionary in the crypto space, Cirus. It's not just a wallet, it's a game changer that lets you earn while you trade and manage your crypto securely. Stick around as we explore the incredible features of Cirus and why it's given other platforms like Coinbase, MetaMask, and Brave a run for their money. Welcome to KryptosChain. I'm Claudio. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this is a sponsored video and I'd like to thank the team for their support. Meet Cirus, your gateway to fast, cheap and secure trading on centralized exchanges. What sets Cirus apart is its unique ability to reward you for your data. Imagine getting paid just for browsing the web. That's not all. Your Cirus score increases as you use the wallet. Unlock exclusive apps and the benefits within the ecosystem. The Cirus team has laid it all out for us in a competitive analysis table, highlighting how Cirus outshines the competition in access, adoption, data monetization, usability, and functionalities. Impressive, right? Before we dive into the wallet, let's talk security. Cirus underwent a rigorous audit by KUCOIN, a top crypto audit firm, in May 2021. The results? Flawless. No issues or bugs were found in the smart contract, ensuring your funds stay safe and sound. Now let's check out the wallet. Head over to the Chrome web store, download the extension and set up your account. Start earning Cirus tokens simply by browsing. You can also transact, send or receive Cirus and swap it with other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. And the best part? Well, more apps are in the pipeline, so stay tuned for exciting updates. Want to earn even more Cirus? Stake your tokens and watch your rewards grow. It's like mining, but better. With around 27% APY on top of your holdings, you can boost your browsing rewards and accumulate more Cirus in the meantime. Speaking of holdings, Cirus is powered by the Cirus token, which is available on Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain, with a total supply of 224.99 million and over 102 million tokens in circulation. You can find it listed on KUCOIN, Gate, Mexi, and more. KUCOIN Labs having invested in Cirus since its listing in 2021. And there you have it, folks. The future of crypto trading is here with Cirus. As for their team, founder Michael Luku and the entire Docs team are paving the way for a more rewarding and secure crypto experience. Oh, and one other thing, rumor has it that Cirus just closed a massive partnership deal with a company that has a whopping 59 exchanges in their network and over 40 million users. Now hold on to your seats because the official partner might just be the renowned company Shift Markets. You heard it right. Shift Markets, and the link is in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Don't forget to check out Cirus's white paper as well on their official website for a deeper dive into the project, and find the list of all the links in the description of this video. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button or follow if you're watching this on X, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day.